Hi, it's Dr. Doug Willen here with the Health Fixer. And here's a subject most people don't like to talk about, which is hemorrhoids. And I don't mind talking about it because I have a couple of good ideas for you. Um, Hemorrhoids is distended rectal veins. So it's almost the same as a varicose vein of a vein that's in your rectum. And so you're looking for things that strengthen the vein. One of the products that we use successfully in our office is we call Colinsonia root, but very often you'll find it online if you're doing research as stone root. And it has basically magnesium phosphate in it, and that's something that helps strengthen the blood vessels. It's very good for a varicose vein or distended rectal veins known as hemorrhoids. Uh, Over the years, I mean, you might have a great grandfather that swore by his sitz bath, SITZ, and a cold sitz bath. There's also warm sitz baths, but I'll tell you how to do a cold sitz bath, which is you put 8 inches of as cold water as you could possibly take in your bathtub. About 8 inches is enough. And you, naked, you sit into the tub, butt down, and if you can, you put your feet up a little bit. And the cold in that area of the body is very soothing, and it relaxes and brings down a little bit of the inflammation. You would spend at least a minute, maybe 2 or 3 minutes if you can, and then you can go into a warm shower. And you can alternate back and forth a couple of times, and people find that to be very palliative for that issue. In addition, some people like chewing almonds. Have almonds maybe 6 a day, and people find that that's very helpful. Sometimes if you're worried about getting gassy with the almonds, you can soak them in water overnight, and those are the ones that you would use for the next day. Remember that this is something that you can also work with your doctor, and you should always check with your doctor first to see if it's something that medically needs to be handled. And if not, then you can start working on some natural remedies for something such as hemorrhoids.